This is the one street light my friend gave me for repair to check what's the problem. It's a good light, but when I open this light, the controller and the battery, I feel very bad because the smells like the lithium leakage. So I deeply checked the cells. It's like a overcharge damage. And what was the reason? When I looked the BMS, what they give the BMS, that one. This, the green color, is for the lithium ion cells BMS, not for the life PO4. This is the lithium ion BMS. So their cutoff voltage is 3 volt and fully charged is 4.2 volt. And the cells that what we are using here, 32650, this one 32650, 32700, this is 3.2 volt nominal. The maximum 3.55 is the fully charged voltage, or 65. So this cells is get overcharged and it's get damaged. So sometime when you purchase the light like that, so definitely this can be happen with your new light. You will wondering what is the reason why it's getting damaged so fast. Even the light quality is good, not bad, but look here, that is, they put the capacity is correct because each cell is 6 ampere, 4 is 24 ampere, 3.2 volt, but it get damaged because of their wrong BMS installation. That is the reason they put this, the lithium ion BMS. That is the reason to make damage that cell by overcharge. So this light is good. Now I will install the proper life PO4 cell in that cell and recommended life PO4 BMS, and this light will work perfectly. Battery is ready, 1S4P, and this is the old module which is already have a short and it's no more working. This one have this, the light control sensor, so I will replace this one with just a simple one. So this is enough to direct on the light. It can handle this light comfortably with the 10 ampere. So let me solder this one and I will show you the result. The module I installed ready and it's time to test it. So the light is repaired already and the sensitivity of that module is really too much. So you can see it's bright enough. At least the light is back to work, and that is direct on. There is no dim feature, direct on. See? Okay, it's good enough.